Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to hide your followers and following list on X. If you want to keep your connections private, follow these simple steps. Let's dive in. First, start by opening the X app on your device. Then, tap on the profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Support, then choose Settings and Privacy. Navigate to the Privacy options. In the Settings menu, go to the Privacy and Safety. Select Audience and Tagging from the list. Here, you'll see an option to protect your post. Enable this option. When enabled, only your current followers and people you approve in the future can see your tweets. To go to the step further, scroll down and enable the Protect Your Videos option. This ensures that videos you post or send via direct messages cannot be downloaded by others. You can also disable photo tagging and to ensure no one can tag you in photos. Once these settings are enabled, your followers and following list will no longer visible to others. To check this, use another account to search for your profile. Open your another account and search your profile name and you'll see that it displays a message saying these posts are protected. And that's it. Your followers and following list won't be accessible. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden your followers and following list on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave the comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.